Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style one bodycon dress in 9 different ways. So in this video, I'm going to include my daily wear, my office wear, and as well as night out with this one bodycon dress. So if you think this is interesting to you, then please continue watching. So this is the bodycon dress which one I'm going to turn into my different looks. So please stay tuned for that. So this is the look number 1. What I'm going to do, I'm just adding one t-shirt on the top of my bodycon dress. And I'm just going to put it on the top and tying a knot. You can leave it like that actually, but I just like to put a knot like that on the middle, or you can do it on the side as well. And this looks like, oh my god, such a nice look with sneaker. Looks super gorgeous. I really love this look. And this is the daily wear look number 1. For the look number 2, I'm going to add my denim jacket on the top of the bodycon dress. And look number 2 is done. Oh my god, looks so stylish. This is super comfortable, stylish, gorgeous. Whatever you want to say, you can say this look. I really like this look. And yeah, if you're a denim jacket lover, this look is for you. So again, I styled this look with sneaker. This is perfect for me. You can style with anything. So here is the look number 3. I'm going to add my denim skirt. I'm going to put it on, and it looks like I'm wearing a top with skirt. It looks so amazing. Again, I can say this look is super stylish, funky, and very comfortable as well. And I like to add sneakers for my daily wear look, which is kind of practical. So I like to add sneakers for daily wear. So we are moving on to the next lookbook. So for the work look number 1, I'm going to add my blazer on the top of my bodycon dress, and it will look like that. You can finish your first look just like that, but I'm just going to add define my waist. So I'm going to add belt. I don't have that a skinny kind of belt, so what I did, I just get my bag stripe. So yeah, this is the bag stripe, which one you can hold like a tote bag, so stuff. So I'm just going to add in the middle. I like to add belts when I'm wearing like a one-piece dress because it really defines your waist. So you will look like you are in a shape and stuff. So yeah, this is the work look number 1 finish. And I added the boots with that, which one looks professional, I guess. So this is the look number 1. For the work look number 2, I'm going to add my long coat with the bodycon dress. I really like this look. You can add belt again, but I like to make it like a bit different from the first look. So I just took out my belt and yeah, paired up with boots again because we are going for work. You can leave the coat open just like that, or you can just close one button in the middle. Both ways it looks stylish. For the work look number 3, I'm going to add my black waist on the top. So one more thing, I have like a cut on the shoulder. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tuck inside the waist those sleeves because we are going for work friendly. So I'm just going to tuck it inside, and I have a belt with this waist already. So I'm going to tie this one which gives you like a more professional look. If you don't have like a belt with your waist, you can add always on the top or make a belt like me, DIY. So here is the night out look number 1. I'm going to add my corset belt in the middle of this belt. I really recommend these kind of belts when you are going out because this look really gives you like a glamorous kind of look. So yeah, this is the look number 1 done. And this dress looks totally different, and I added the heels because we are going for the night. So here is the next look, which is look number 2 for night out. I'm going to add my black midi skirt with this, and look, it looks totally different. And I added heels again because for the night out, so you can add whatever you want, but I really like heels when we go out for a dinner or like for a girls night out. So this is the look number 2. For the night out look number 3, I'm going to add my black jeans with the bodycon dress, because this dress is super smooth and you can't feel the texture even. So I'm going to add my jeans, and I'm going to add my biker jacket. If you have a black biker jacket, it will look so awesome. I have this like a creamish kind of biker jacket. I really like to put the biker jacket when I go out, and it gives you like a kind of classy look. So you can add any jacket you have. Even the bomber jacket looks so nice. I will show the look with bomber jacket as well. I finish up this look with heels again. You can wear any kind of boots. Even boots look so good as well. Here I'm going to show you with bomber jacket this look. The look is same. I'm just changing the jacket, like I'm adding bomber jacket instead of leather jacket. It looks super cool as well. Here is the finished look, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you love this video, and please let me know which one is your favorite look from all of them. My Instagram account, I will put the link in my description box below. Please let me know in this comment section as well which one is your favorite look. My favorite look is the basic one, like a daily wear one, when I put the t-shirt on the top. So yeah, please let me know which one is your favorite look, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bye.